Hi, my name is Dakota Shafer, and I'm with Structure Real Estate Group in Colorado Springs. Today I want to talk about one of the most basic of homeowner maintenance items, and that's changing your furnace filter. Manufacturers recommend that you change it every 3 months, and it's so easy you can change it in your suit. That was terrible. There are a couple things that you need to take into consideration when purchasing a new furnace filter. The first of those is the size requirement. So furnace filters run at different sizes, and you need to match up the size of the furnace filter with your unit, and you can do that by getting online and looking up your manufacturer specifications for your particular furnace system. The second thing that you need to take into consideration is what time of year you're swapping out your furnace filter. Manufacturers have come a long ways with being able to filter out pollutants and allergens and that kind of stuff through your filters, but in the summer, sometimes if there's not enough airflow going through your furnace filter, it can freeze up your air conditioning system. So a lot of times manufacturers recommend doing a lighter furnace filter in the summer compared to the winter because of the airflow restriction on your air conditioning unit, which can freeze it up, like I said, or actually do damage to your system. So you need to be careful with that. Okay, so the first step is to actually locate your furnace filter. Typically they are on the side of the furnace, but sometimes they might be an event on the main level of your home or somewhere else in your home, so you need to locate the main furnace filter in order to change it, obviously. Mine happens to be right here on the side of my furnace, so it's behind this door, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the door. And then step 2 is to determine what airflow direction your furnace works in. So mine is going to head in this way. And so these filters are manufactured to only flow one direction. So this is an important step. If you don't know what direction your furnace is flowing, one way you can do it is to locate the filter and then turn your system on, and the filter will kind of suck towards the air direction that it needs to go. So make sure you know which direction you're going. Take out the old one, check the arrow, make sure the flow is going the direction you need it to. Slide it in, put your cover back on, and that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to hit the contact button on our page or call the number on the bottom of the screen.